Hi, I'm going to pick the winner for the Crochet magazine. It's right here. You can get it in the Kindle edition or buy it for $9.99. If you are not the winner, I will have the link for that down below. And I just wanted to say thank you everybody for participating in this giveaway. I will send out this magazine to the lucky winner. Just send me your information with my email down below, and hopefully it'll get sent to you within just a few days depending on your location, because I've been hearing that the mail has been a little slow with the holidays. So I hope everybody is staying safe and healthy during what's going on right now. All right, so let's see who the winner is. Come back for my latest videos. I've just been doing a lot of holiday related videos. I just did a star video and then a bell for Christmas. You can check those out. Let's see who the winner is. Gail Brote. I might be saying that wrong. Awesome magazine, so many nice patterns. Now, I did take some of the patterns from this magazine and turned them into my own by just looking at it and creating my own. So there are some videos coming up soon that are similar, but I didn't take the pattern for copyright issues, just created my own pattern from looking at it. So look out for those in the future. And thank you everybody again for watching, subscribing, and participating in the giveaway.